Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see how to pin a post on your profile on Instagram. So you go to Instagram and your profile and select any picture you want to post to pin. So tap the three dots, then tap on pin to your profile, and as it's showing pinning, then that's done. So you go back to your profile homepage and refresh. As you can see, my photo is pinned, so I'm going to unpin this and we can pin some other picture. So I'm going to choose some picture from down. So we're going to pick this dog picture, three dots, pin to profile. So this one has been down, so I want to see what happens when I pin it. Like going back to the front page, refresh. As you can see, it has come on top and it has this pin icon on it. So that's how you can pin a picture that you want to be on your profile. When someone goes to your profile, that's the first thing they see. So that's how you can pin your picture on your IG profile. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more amazing videos, and comment if you have any questions or any videos that you want me to make. I'll be sure to make them. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.